Good morning, everybody. Today we have traded ENZ and IMNM. And right off the bat, I lost money today, $62. Yesterday we made $474, which, relative to my wins this week and this month, not devastating, but at this point, when you have these losses, it's good to, you become disciplined when you don't start to revenge trade, things that I have done in the past, right? So say I was down what I am right now, $62, I would continue to try to get into positions to try to make my money back. And at this point, you don't really have any mental capital, right? Because you're already flushed out from the losses. It's best to just walk away. So currently the market is open, but I am done trading. So the big loss was on ENZ for approximately $65. This company basically had some news, and I foresaw it to potentially do a quick spike up at market open. They received FDA expansion for its emergency use authorization for a COVID test that they have, based on the new variants that are coming out right now, right, this second cycle of COVID cases that we're seeing. And so I saw there to be some type of breakout and didn't break out. I was disciplined enough to cut my loss, keep my losses small. I got out of my position as soon as I didn't see it do what I wanted it to do. Something that I wasn't disciplined in the past, right? I would just be emotionally attached to, for example, a stock like this where I would buy it and I'd be like, no, it's gonna go back up, and as you can see, it's continuing to go down. So I would just keep holding this, and the loss would just continue to just go against me and grow bigger, and then that's when you become an emotional wreck in trading, when you lack that discipline and you're not able to cut your losses quickly. So the big loss was on ENZ. I'm done trading this. I'm done trading for the day. And then IMNM also had a very good news catalyst. They basically have a COVID test that neutralizes the Delta variant of COVID, right? Of the disease, or whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, I saw, once again, I saw there to be a breakout. I got messed up right here. I bought basically right at the top. It flushed down. I was able to cut my loss very small. Well, actually, I made $3 on it. Insignificant amount, but as it flushed down, I was still able to basically stay at break even for this stock. And as you can see, if I would have been stubborn, which I have been in the past, like I mentioned with the previous stock, look how this loss would have just been so much more greater if I were to have stayed emotionally attached to the stock. That's it, guys. Basically, now I just got to look at myself and just keep training my mindset. And how do I become more disciplined? How do I become more selective? And how do I just know when to walk away and just not make any trades? Right today, in a perfect world, if I was the perfect trader, I would have just walked away. Right, I would have just looked at this in the morning and said, there's no setups there. There's nothing that fits my strategy. Let me just walk away. That's what I'm doing now. I took the small hit, right, relative to my wins. Not crucial, but now it's just forgetting about it, going about your day. I'm gonna go to the gym and then coming back later and just kind of study what you did and see how you can better yourself. That's it, guys. Make sure you like the video. Subscribe if you enjoyed it. I'm gonna keep making these daily recaps. They also hold me accountable. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.